Seed potatoes. Let's get this stand up properly if I can, folks. Here we go. Seed potatoes, Maris Piper main crop. So Scottish basic seed potatoes. So Great Britain grade E, 2 kilos. So yeah, these are the beautiful spuds. We're getting these open in a second. Yep, these are them. We'll get these open. This is just an experiment, this, because I will be using these pots here. If you can just see these. Just get them down there. These are, get that steady, folks. These are probably 9.5 inch by 10.5 inch. I'm just going to put one spud in the bottom of each one of these, and it's quite easy to tell which way you can chit or not to chit. I know it sounds rude that, but it's not really. Here we have the main stem there, so that is what you need to plant at the top. You can see there. Same again. These have been in the greenhouse a few weeks just to get a little bit of growth on them. So yeah, first time growing potatoes in buckets, so I'm really looking forward to it. So first of all, what you need to do is get I'm going to probably put let's have a look here, show you how much. Probably a third full, as you can see there. Then all you need to do, because these are small, all I'm going to do with these is just one potato in the middle. See there? And then cover with the same amount of compost again. And as this gets water over the next few weeks, this compost will gradually compact and go down. Yeah, that's the same again, as you can see. All I'll do with this then is give it a good water. I'm not going to put it to soak. I don't want it totally waterlogged. But that's just till it's running out of the bottom there. See it there, just coming out the bottom. A few more goes. There's the peat-based compost. You can use peat-free by all means. As I keep saying, if anybody's got any decent peat-free compost, please let me know and I'll give it a try. But yeah, that's spot on that. All I'll do with this now is just place it at the, you can see that there. I'll keep an eye on that, make sure it doesn't dry out, and as soon as the first shoots start coming out of here above the soil, when they're a couple of inches tall, I will heap up and cover them again. And that's all you have to do until you get to the top of your pots. So yeah, that's how to start your seed potatoes. If you've got any questions I'd hesitate to ask, folks, if you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. So goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, monkey. Have a good day, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. You're just going to sit out the way there. Today, I'm going to be checking you through 5 easy veg and herbs to grow. So, first of all, let's get these spuds sorted out. These were planted a few weeks ago. I've been waiting for some compost to come. So, what I need to do with these is now, quite easily, quite tall. All you need to do then is just mound them up. These should have been done when they were a lot shorter. So all I'm going to do with these is just give it a good shake, like so. Like so. And then a little trick with another pot, which I'm going to show you what I do. Right, all I've done with this now is I've taken another pot, just cut the bottom off it. What I'm going to do with this now is potatoes here, and then simply, like so. And all I'm going to do with that is just fill it to the top with compost then. So all I need to do then is fill it right to the top and give it a good water then. Like I said, I should have done these when they were a little bit smaller, so hopefully it's not too late for them. It's a great idea if you haven't got any big pots. These pots are only second-hand pots from the flower stall in town. Cost me pennies a few years ago. Probably had them 5 or 6 years as well. So, like so. Just a little bit more. Get that into the middle, like so. Yeah, and that's it. That's how to chop your spuds up using 2 pots instead of 1. And I'll give that really good water then, and just top it up to the top then, because this will sink down once it's had a good water. Yeah, so that's how to grow your spuds indoors. Hopefully we'll get some nice spuds off those, because now I've got, instead of 1 pot, I've got 2 pots now. So hopefully we'll get some nice potatoes in those. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.